Ndewo kekime. Aha bijoma onye wetagi nkuzi Igbo. So ta anyị ga-ekwu maka bootcamp. Okay, I have been talking about the Igbo speakers bootcamp, but I want to come on because I've been getting a lot of questions through emails. So I want to explain more. Okay, I do not want to assume that you know what it means. Okay, so before I get on, who is it for? Okay, so that you're not wasting your time listening if it's not for you. So the boot camp is for you, okay? If you've made a decision, yeah, to speak Igbo this year, okay? You want to speak Igbo because you want to connect with your identity, okay? You want to connect with who you are. You want to embrace your culture. You want to embrace your identity. It is for you. It is also for you if you married to an Igbo man who speaks Igbo, you have a fiance, okay? And you want to connect with him or her, okay? Or maybe it's your spouse, your female spouse is able. You want to connect with her in a deeper way and connect with your in-laws. Good. The bootcamp is for you. If you want to teach your children Igbo, okay, so that they embrace who they are, so they have more options as they grow to explore their culture, to explore their identity, then the bootcamp is for you. Okay, so that's who the bootcamp is for. It's also for you when you appreciate the need for a coach. Okay, if you're ready, because it might be if you're not ready for a coach, then the bootcamp is not for you. Because I quite appreciate that maybe if you want to go through the free resources first, get a sort of background before you invest in a coach, that's a solid strategy. But if you have gone through the resources already, gone through the YouTube resources, gone through the website, maybe you even have some Igbo books and you're not ready for a coach. Okay, you want some accountability because that's what the coach will provide for you. You want to put some more skin in the game, something that will make it hard for you to quit. Okay, because it's easier to quit if you're by yourself, but if you have people helping you, then it's hard to quit. So if you're ready for that support, if you're ready for a coach, if you're ready to get in the midst of committed Igbo learners to move yourself forward to the next stage, okay, the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for you. Okay, and it's for you if you believe in investing in yourself, because the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is a paid program. Okay, I have free YouTube videos here on the site to teach you Igbo. Okay, so if you're still in the free resources stage, that's perfectly fine. Go through the YouTube videos. But if you're ready, you know that you need to invest in yourself to move further, then the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is for you. Okay, so that's who it is for. Then what is it? The bootcamp is a 12-week program. Okay, it's an online program and it's a group program. Okay, and when I say group, do not be scared. It's only 3 people in a group. Okay, and each group I tailor it so that the people in that group have similar language levels. Okay, so you be in a group people that you're starting at a similar sorry stage. Okay, so Igbo Speakers Bootcamp is a group online program where we meet live online, okay, once a week to speak, okay? So you practice your speaking, you get an hour session every week to practice your speaking with me and with the people in your group, okay? And when we are not meeting, you have video resources, audio, and written materials to study with. Okay, I would normally encourage you to bring out 30 minutes every day. It might be in the morning, afternoon, night. You choose. You take those times to actively go through your course, the course material that I have for you, so that when you come on live, you are actually speaking. And this will be good for you, especially if you don't have a lot of people to practice speaking in the house. So this is an opportunity so that when you come on, you're utilizing that time to practice, okay? It's 12 weeks. You need to really be on your game. You don't waste the 12 weeks. If you come on the bootcamp, make use of it to speak, okay? So that's what happens in the bootcamp. The other bonus that you have in the bootcamp is that we are on Facebook as well. There's a special Facebook group just for people that are my clients. So this is not the free Facebook group. This is a special Facebook group where everybody in there, they are learning. Okay, there are people that have committed, invested in themselves, and they are learning. They are ready to speak. They are not shy anymore, because I understand previously you may have been ashamed to speak because maybe people have laughed at you in the past. In this group, we do not laugh at anybody because we are all learning. I mean, apart from me, the coach, the rest are all learning. So we do not laugh at anybody. We do not make fun of you. So you're free to go live and speak in that group. Okay. If you do not want to do a video live, you can do an audio live. Okay. But this is an extra support that you have in the bootcamp. Okay. Now to the third question. How do you join the bootcamp? Great question. Right. This current bootcamp, okay, the enrollment is on, but it is finishing soon. In fact, it finishes this January, okay, because we start the live sessions in February, the first week of February. We start the live sessions, okay. So the way to enroll is to click the link below this video, put your email and your name, and then you get an email with more information on how to enroll, okay. And once you've got your email, the next thing to do is to actually book your call, because you need to get on a call with me. At the moment, because the bootcamp is a small group, and I want to keep people in there, just bringing people that are mean business, basically. So you need to get on a call with me, and we make sure it's a great fit for you. Make sure that is what you're looking for, because if it's not, there's no point you just enrolling. If it's not, that's fine. I can recommend someone else, or maybe you're still in a stage where you need to do self-study. Okay. And if it's a great fit for you, awesome. Then you make your payment and you get access to your course materials immediately while waiting for the live sessions that start in February. And why do you also need to enroll quickly? So because I'm only bringing people that are serious into the group, people that are action takers, people that move quickly. We don't want to procrastinate. We don't want, so bootcamp is not a place that you come and you take the back seat. No, you come and you take action, because I want you to get the most out of your 12 weeks. Okay. So if you take action quickly, which means if you enroll by 28th January, you get the bonus. And this bonus is you get an additional support. So the bootcamp is 12 weeks. When the bootcamp ends, I'm offering some people 6 months support after the bootcamp. Okay. And if you enroll by 28 January, you'll be part of the support. And what happens in that 6 months, we actually meet live again, and you can speak once a month. So while the bootcamp is once a week, the support is once a month. But that's just the bonus. It's not part of the bootcamp. The bootcamp is 12 weeks, but because you enroll early, and that what I mean by that, if you enroll, make your payment by 28th of January, okay, you get that additional support, additional 6 months support after the bootcamp. And this means you get support up till October 2020. Okay, but it's up to you really what you want to do. So the next step, the very next step to take is to click the link below this video. Okay, you get more information, put your email in, and then you get the rest. If you still have questions after this, of course, email me and ask ijoma@igbostudy.com. Okay, ijoma@igbostudy.com. I also have more information on the website, igbostudy.com. But really, the quickest way to get into the bootcamp or to get more information is to click the link below this video. Enola, hope that answers most of your questions. Okay? Ngwan, Kodi, Nasuku Igbo.